Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. Imagine you have a value array in an index array, and you want to sum up the values for each unique index in the indices array. Sounds like a typical problem we encounter when working with arrays and indices, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. One approach is to create an array of zeros, let's call it B, with a length equal to the maximum value in the indices array. Then, we can use the np.add.at function to accumulate the values from the values array into the corresponding positions in B as specified by the indices array. This method allows us to efficiently calculate the sums for each unique index in a vectorized manner, which can be really handy, especially for large data sets. Continuing with the solution, after performing the calculations as described above, we end up with an array that contains the sums of values for each unique index. In the example provided, the output would be an array showing the sums, which in this case would be 2.0, 1.0, 7.0. It's amazing how concise and effective this method is in handling such tasks, all thanks to the powerful capabilities of numpy. In summary, we've explored a smart and efficient way to sum the values for each unique index in an array using vectorized operations in numpy. By leveraging the np.add.at function, we were able to achieve the desired result with elegance and speed. I hope this solution proves valuable to you in your own coding adventures. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!